सिर्फ शकील एक चीज बतानी पड़ेगी हमें कि there are no shortcuts. There is no easy money.
Absolutely.
Everything comes with hard working, planning, like you said. मुझे भी 20 साल अब I've been involved in cricket for 40 odd years, 4 decades. Retire हो जा मैं I retired in about 21 years ago. But अगर मैं hard work ना करता, अगर मैं मतलब कहते हैं ना out of mind, out of sight. So I would have disappeared.
What motivates you? Like सुबह जब उठते हैं.
Nobody can motivate. I have to motivate myself. So my motivation is, apart from being looking good, it's health. And you know, youth को तो समझ नहीं आएगी इसकी, but मेरी age group वालों को आएगी. My age group will understand. Or even all of you guys, health is wealth. In Urdu से जान है तो जहान है. Everything is gonna stay back here. Doesn't matter how much money you have, how successful you are. If you are unhealthy, what's the point?